choose the right partner, because the wrong partner will almost 100% most likely destroy your life. What's going on, people? My name is Andrew SB and welcome to my channel. If you ain't already subscribed, you need to do that ASAP. Remember, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. Whatever it is, your partner is the person you spend the most time with. Your partner is the person you run your ideas back and forth from. Your partner is the person that's basically directly correlated to your life. Right? So what does that mean? That means when you come up with a new idea today, chances are you're going to run it past them. And if all you ever hear is, nah, maybe not, maybe do it the other way, or maybe just don't do it, maybe you're not good enough, with time, you're never going to do anything, especially because they're your partner, which means their opinion has value. And if all they keep saying, if they're negative-minded people and it's never positive, then it then becomes, you will never do anything because you actually value their opinion and they don't support you, right? So it can't possibly help you. Same thing with business. You're aiming high and they're aiming for down here. Every time you try to do something to get you guys from here to there, it's always going to be met with a negative response or negative reception. Why? Because they don't see what you see. But then you can't really do much without them simply because they're your business partner. But they see A, you see B. It doesn't work. You go to clients together, they saying A, you're saying B. Why? Because they see A and you see B. It doesn't work. With time, the whole thing doesn't make much sense. You love this person and you care about this person and you actually want to work with this person, right? But you need to know and understand that, does it make sense? Personally, does it make sense for me to be in a relationship with this person? Business-wise, does it make sense for me to work with this person? Because it's okay to just be friends. It's okay to be friends and not deal with someone on a personal level, not deal with someone on a business level. It's okay. Sometimes people are just meant to be your friends. But if you choose them as your partner and they're the wrong person, you're most likely going to waste years and years and years of your life before you realize, I should have left that relationship 10-20 years ago. Okay, but then that's 10-20 years of your life that's gone down the drain. That's 10-20 years of you being miserable. That's 10-20 years of you being stressed. That's 10-20 years of going back and forth and arguing every day and not wanting to go home because that person is there. There's nothing like not wanting to go home. Like, you see it every time people, you're like, what's up, what are you doing? I'm going home. Man, I can't even go home because I don't know, my partner's there or my boyfriend's there or whatever it is. They live with this person, but they don't want to go there, which means your home is not a home anymore. But not because of the home and your kids and everything, because of the person that's there. You don't want to be with them. So you always find a reason to stay out longer, yet you never leave this relationship. It doesn't make sense. Same exact thing with business. You've got a personal relationship with your business partner, so when they make the wrong move or when they do things that you don't agree with, you don't know how to tell them. You can't move forward if you can't be comfortable with the person you're with. If you don't trust the person you're working with, if you don't believe and they don't believe in you, it doesn't work. The earlier you cut that, the better for both of you. Till next time, keep winning. And remember, hit the subscribe button and the notification button. Hit us up on the socials as well, Real Andrew SB. I repeat, Real Andrew SB on the socials. Let us know your comments, let us know your thoughts, and come along for the ride.